Next, we have thyroid myth number 2. You should always feel better on thyroid medication. Sure, sometimes this is absolutely true, but as we just established, due to the common phenomenon of poor T4 to T3 conversion combined with alarmingly inaccurate lab tests, T4 treatment probably won't help if you're a poor converter and dealing with the fizzled out thyroid hormone spark plug. See, the number one prescribed medication for low thyroid only replaces the T4 hormone. I can't name this medication for legal reasons, but you definitely know which one I'm talking about. After all, the name for the T4 hormone is thyroxine. Again, let's go back to our spark plug analogy from before. If your car's spark plug fizzles out, it doesn't matter how much gas you put in the tank, because that gas will never get converted to the energy your car needs to run. So you stay stuck in your driveway. You're not going anywhere. The same is true when you focus only on replacing T4 hormone in someone who's a poor T4 to T3 converter. Makes sense? I want to make this crystal clear because all the time with people I work with and even online, I see heartbreaking stories of people who've been struggling with a sluggish thyroid for years, sometimes even decades, mainly because they're not aware of this concept, and sometimes they even feel guilty, like there's something wrong with them or their bodies because their medication isn't working properly. But as I'm hoping you can see now, that couldn't be further from the truth. It has nothing to do with you. It's simply an incomplete treatment approach for people with conversion issues. That's why I fell in love with the plant of immortality and thyroid spark plug rejuvenating mineral, because they're both natural options that can quickly fix this conversion problem and finally give you lasting relief from thyroid misery.